buntag kaninyong tanang turista. I am Ruby, your tour guide for today. I know you are waiting for almost 20 minutes here. I'm sorry for that case, tourist. Are you tired of waiting, tourist? I'm so sorry again. We are here, tourist, to fetch you going to our briefing area, for breakfast area, and for preparation and checking of attendance. You excited, tourist? Are you hungry? We have a prepared food for us because I know you are hungry of waiting. By the way, tourists, this is Mr. Dimakulangan, our coach captain for the whole day. He is 7 years of serving people from different countries and places. Mr. Dimakulangan is very productive at his age. He has award for many times by our company by his dedication to his work. A trusting coach captain and very intelligent. He will make sure that our trip is safe and sound. Before we proceed to our first destination in Maasim, we are going first to Sydney Hotel of Jansan for the briefing, preparation, breakfast, and checking of attendance. Before we go to Sydney Hotel of Jansan, tourists, kindly check your valuable belongings. Okay, tourists, can I have a roll call, please? Okay, tourists, if I call your name, kindly go inside in the bus so that I know if who is not around. Tourists, kindly please listen. Thank you, tourists. Miss Sheena, thank you. Miss Charlene, thank you. Miss Laguda, thank you. Mr. Ganet, thank you. Oh, Mr. Deli, are you here? Thank you. Oh, thank you, tourists. You are all complete. I'm happy for your cooperation and active. Thank you. And now, tourists, we are traveling to Sydney Hotel of Jansan. We are now in Sydney Hotel of Jansan. Please check your valuable belongings as we go inside. Just take care, tourists. Tourists, you may have a breakfast first before we proceed to our briefing and policies. Enjoy your food, tourists, and let me know if you want some more food because we order food for us. Thank you. Tourists, are you done eating your breakfast? Are you full with your breakfast, tourists? How's the taste of the food? And how about the coffee? It is smooth, mild, or strong for you? So tourists, you know what? I am happy for your feedback. My heart is full of happiness now and excited to explore and experience the beauty of land of Sarangani province. Tourists, we proceed to briefing and policies. First, always check your valuable belongings upon leaving the place and bus. Second, don't pick flowers. Third, we should respect others' cultures the way they speak. Fourth, don't put your trash anywhere. Fifth, always bring IDs for your identification. Sixth, my flags. And if you heard my whistling, please let's make a symbol and a roll call. Don't put your hands outside the bus. We have free snacks every destination. And the last is, your safety is our concern. So thank you, tourists, for listening. Tourists, let's discuss all the information here. You paid for 5,000 each, right? Tourists, well, it was included your breakfast, snacks, tour guide, fee, souvenirs, and gasolines. So don't you worry, tourists. I will make sure that all of us will bring home and experience the memories. Tourists, I would like to inform you that we are 3 destinations: Maasim, Kiamba, and Maitom, and it is based on our itinerary. We have 3 spots to go: the IML Eco Park, Lamsal, Sarangani Province, Bayan ng Maasim, Sarangani. We have a lot of activities there waiting for us. You can try the zip line. It was fun and great to try new things, but if you're scared, heights, tourists, don't you worry. We have a firing range, and you can try it if you get scared again. In firing range, don't you worry. You can do a swimming for your relaxation, and also you can take a photo at IML Eco Park. Our second spot is the Tukal Marine Park and Beach Resort, Kiamba, Sarangani. We are having a diving, snorkeling, swimming, and boating. I know you love to swim and excited to see the witness a showcase of the colorful life underwater. The last spot, tourists, is the whitewater ribbon tubing of New La Union Bayan ng Maitom, Sarangani. I know it was fun for you to try it for the first time. That's what we call the tubing, and later on we will try the experience. And it is fun but don't you worry, tourists. The equipment and materials are very safe to use, so don't bother anything. And also we have a lot of games. It was fun for us, tourists. Tourists, I know you are excited. I see your smile while I'm here in front. Later, if you heard my whistle, Kindly go in front of Sydney Hotel for the assemble and checking of attendance. Thank you, tourists, for cooperation. Tourists, let's do the head counts, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you, tourists. How's your feeling, tourists? Are you excited? Well, we have a short prayer first before we go. Tourists, be ready. Enjoy the nice view because we are now traveling to our first spot. If you feel weak and dizzy, just use the plastic bag in front of you and use the white flower and Vicks. You can choose of the two. And if you want to pull tourists, just call my attention. I can assist you. I am here always. Hindi kagaya ng mga jowa nyo. By the way, tourists, while we are here in Bass, we have a games and also I have a prize for the winner and consolation prize. So don't you worry, tourists. Everyone's have a chance to win. Before I forgot, this is Panda Beer for the second winner and this is Panda Pillow for the first winner. And I have candies and lollipops for all. So tourists, let's start our game. My game is question and answer portion. I have two only questions, tourists. Okay, tourists, relax. Excited? Wala pa po. My question number 1 is, what is your expectation in the place that we are going? Oh, Miss Sheena, you're raising your hand. Yes? Oh, you're so good, Miss Sheena. I didn't expect that to hear from my tourists. Thank you, Miss Sheena. And this is my last question. How old our agency is? Miss Charlene, you're raising your hand. Oh, you're right, Miss Charlene. Miss Sheena, this is your Panda Pillow, Panda Beer. Hope that you are happy and enjoy our game. Before I forgot, I have lollipops and candies for us. Thank you, tourists, for cooperations, and now you can enjoy the nice view of Maasim Municipality. For information, tourists, Sarangani, before its inception in 1992, Sarangani was part of South Cotabato and held its title as the 3rd District of South Cotabato. The province was created by Republic Act number 72228 on March 16, 1922, pinned by the late Congressman James L. Chumbiani. Sarangani is a province of the Philippines located in the Sorsogon region. Its capital is Alabel, with 100 kilometers coastline along the Sarangani Bay and Sulawesi. The province is at the southernmost tip of Mindanao Island and borders South Cotabato and Davao del Sur to the north and Davao Occidental to the east. Sarangani is part of the South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos City, Sorsogon Development Cluster and is linked by paved roads to the International Airport and Harbor of General Santos City. The province is divided into two, separated by the Sarangani Bay and General Santos City. It is used to be part of South Cotabato until it was made an independent province in 1992. The island of Sarangani was named by Ruy Lopez de Villalobos in 1543 as of Antonia in honor of Antonio de Mendoza y Pacheco, who commissioned Villalobos' expedition to the Philippines. The early inhabitants who first inhabited Sarangani were the indigenous natives called Monato, a native term for the first people. In 1942, the Japanese troops occupied southern Cotabato, now Sarangani. In 1945, Filipino troops of the 6th, 10th, 101st, and 102nd Infantry Division of the Philippine Commonwealth Army and 10th Infantry Regiment of the Philippine Constabulary entered and liberated in southern Cotabato, now Sarangani, and fought against the Japanese Imperial Army forces during the Battle of Cotabato. At the end of World War II, under the Japanese occupation, before its inception in 1992, Sarangani was part of South Cotabato as 3rd District of South Cotabato. The province was created by Republic Act number 72 on March 16, 1992, pinned by Congressman James L. Chumbian. His wife, Priscilla L. Chumbian, was the first governor of Sarangani. They are known as the father and mother of Sarangani Province Subdivision. Sarangani is subdivided into 7 municipalities, grouped into 2 parts, separated by the Sarangani Bay. The western part consists of Kiamba, Maasim, and Maitom. part is composed of Alabel, Malapatan, and Malungun. For your information, tourists, IML is located at Limassol near Maasim on the Sarangani Road out of General Santos City. You want a place where you can relax? There's a solution. The place of Glan is known as the Miss Beautiful Place. So here is the IML Eco Park to fulfill your dreams. A beautiful coastal road with a number of generous branches along its route. Signposting for the site is not brilliant. The only two signs at the location itself. Easy to miss if you're not ready for them. Once you go through the site gate, entrance to IML is via step access road at the top of which a reception. IML offers sparring for those who want to test their marksmanship. They have different shooting range from 80, 100, 150, 200, 300, 500, and 5,000. 1,500 meters. And this place, there are many families and their friends visiting there to experience the most fun time. Here is our snack tourist. You can eat now because we have only 30 minutes before our first spot. Just enjoy the snacks and put your trash always in the trash can. Thank you. Hope you like our snack. And now, tourists, we are here in IML Eco Park, Lumsal, Sarangani Province ng Bayan ng Maasim, Sarangani. But before that, don't forget your valuable belongings and your cell phone to have a memories and yourself also. Tourists, just take care of yourself. We are now in our first spot. If I raise my orange flag, if you heard my whistling, let's have a symbol. And if you see my green flag, that's mean we have a tourists. Let's have a break first. Eat your snacks. After that, you can continue the IML Eco Park adventure. Tourists, may I have your attention, please? How's your experience, tourists? How's the feeling? Are you happy? Wow, that's great. I know a lot of you love swimming. We have to check our valuable belongings. And now let's do the head counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's great. We are all complete. Thank you for the cooperation, tourists. Tourists, we are going to our second spot in Tuca Marine Park and Beach Resort in Kiamba, Sarangani. You know what, tourists? There's a piece of heaven underneath the waters of Sarangani, colorful, alive, vibrant. Tuca Marine Park in Kiamba, Sarangani is a true marvel for everyone who finds joy in exploring the life underneath the seas. It is a marine sanctuary that boasts colorful and rich marine biodiversity that has been thriving for years through the protection and conservation efforts of the community surrounding it. The town of Kiamba is already a haven of unforgettable and worthwhile experience. In fact, it is known to be the paradise of the province, but Tuca Marine Park stands out from the rest, wowing every single guest with an unmatched beauty of the coastline and life underwater. Access to this place is regulated by Kiamba Local Tourism Office. As of writing, walk-ins are not allowed for the residents. Non-residents are required to book their reservation 2 days before their actual visit. Tuca Marine has 4 protective coves, but only 1 cove is open to the public. The place features white sand and the stunning coral gardens, which can be viewed even just the place pristine and clear waters make it an ideal spot for snorkeling. Snorkeling and diving are the most rewarding activities that you can do here. Imagine yourself witnessing a showcase of a colorful life underwater. From that case, formations to the fishes and marine plants inhabiting the gardens. It is indeed a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and this place allows you to experience all of this. If you are up to an ultimate island lifetime experience, and this place allows you to experience all this. If you are up to an ultimate island escape, this place is for you. Not just that, it is also gives you one of the best sunset views. Ready your cameras because you will surely need them once you set for feet here. And now tourists, we are here in our second spot. Just take care always. Remember my instruction. Please don't forget your swimwear and your equipment. Thank you tourists. Enjoy. Thank you tourists. But don't forget, if I whistling and raise my red flag, it is the time for our checking of attendance and preparation for the next spot. As of now tourists, you may enjoy. Take care always tourists. Have your attention please. How's your experience tourist? How's the feeling? Are you happy? Wow, that's great. I know a lot of you love swimming. There's a lot of memories that we keep. Tourists, we have to check our valuable belongings before leaving our first. And now let's do the head count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are all complete. Tourists, we are now going to our third spot in Maitom Municipality. As what I said earlier, we have a free snacks in front of you with water. And if you feel dizzy and weak, we have also Vicks and white flour. You can use it. And if you poop, just tell me because our third spot are enjoyable and fun. But don't worry, tourists, you are safe because their equipments are very highly recommended from other places and is tested by the professionals. We are now in our last destination, tourists. Just enjoy, tourists, and have fun. Just take care of your tourists. May I have your attention? We are done in our last spot. How's your experience, tourists? How's your feeling? Are you nervous? Oh, some of here are first time to try. Well, I will congratulate you all. You deserve a congratulations because you conquer your fear and that was very hard. I'm so proud of all you tourists and now let's do the head guns again. 1, 2, 3. Tourists, we are now complete and you are very cooperative. Give a round of applause for yourself, tourists. You deserve that. Me as your tour guide, I would like to thank you all for the cooperation in our game, in my instruction and my information. I am happy that even our tour is almost done, but our memories are always kept forever. Thank you for trusting RD Travel Agency. Tourists, you can visit and book again with our agency. Thank you, tourists. Tourists, how's our services? Oh, thank you, tourists. How about our snack, tourists, and food? Oh, that's great. Wow, thank you, tourists. And now, tourists, I know this tour was full of fun, experience, tears of joy, scared, nervous, tired, and I know it could benefit you. We have a lot of experience and knowledge from different spot we tour. I, Ruby, your tour guide for the whole, on behalf of our RD Travel Agency, would like to say thank you again. Tourists, we know that you are very tired, right? And now we are traveling to General Santos City. You can sleep in bus, tourists, to rest because we have a long travel. Thank you, tourists. Tourists, we are now in Sydney Hotel of General Santos City. Kindly check your valuable belongings before leaving the bus. Thank you, tourists. And now, tourists, we go inside the hotel. Tourists, you may have your dinner and after this, you have to go in your different rooms that you may relax. Thank you, tourists. Good night and sweet dreams. We are looking for your next visit. Thank you from RD Travel Agency.